Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this quick video, I would like to share how to find membership only videos once you have subscribed for my membership. So the very first thing that you need to do is once you go to my channel, if you scroll down, you see for you here and you see all the videos and you see videos, you see shorts, you see posts and you see here membership only videos. So if you have subscribed for my membership, then you will see all the videos here. So you can click and watch the videos. Otherwise, what you can do is you can also go to courses here. You see courses here. Once you subscribe to my membership, you will get access to the courses as well. So you see all the courses here: PowerShell fundamentals for Citrix administrators, Citrix level 2 virtual apps and desktops, monitoring and troubleshooting using Citrix director. So all the courses are available here. So what you can do is you can simply click on one of these courses and you can watch them immediately. And what you can do is you can also go to playlists here. Okay, you can also go to playlists and you see a lot of courses here. So if you have subscribed for growth starters or knowledge vault, whatever it is, depending upon your access, once you click on it, you will get access to all those videos. Let's say for example, if you have subscribed for growth starters, then you get access to Citrix fundamentals for beginners. So you get access to Citrix fundamentals for beginners and some other courses. If you have subscribed for knowledge vault, then you get access to mastering Citrix provisioning services, Citrix level 2 course and PowerShell fundamentals for Citrix administrators and some other topics. So this way what you can do is you can go to courses and you can click on courses, or you can also go to playlist and you can click on the topics that you are interested in to learn the content. So this way you can watch all the content that you have subscribed for. And at any point in time, if you want to share something, then you can go to visit community here, click on visit community, and you can communicate with me here. You can leave a text, or if you want to post something, you can also post here, and this is the community section where people can come and interact with each other. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. If you have not subscribed to my membership yet, try to subscribe to it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.